Hello guys, welcome once again. This is the Love Surgeon. Today I want to talk specifically to my guys out there. You know, it's not every time you slide into a lady's DM that you get replies, but then I want to give you just few tips on how you can slide into any lady's DM and get a reply. Right now, don't forget that there are so many tips I'm giving you, and for you to get more of these, don't forget to press the subscribe button and turn on notification so that you get every single of my video as they are released. Now, getting into a lady's DM involves a whole lot of research. That's the first tip. A whole lot of research. You don't go into a lady's DM and you just start typing without knowing anything about them. Why not go through their profile, where they stay, what they do, get to know them even without talking to them. That's the essence of social media. These informations are there for you to go. Make your research, search about their name, their full names, and you're chatting or sliding into a lady's DM and you are asking her, what's your name? By going through her profile alone, you already should have known that this is her name, and by addressing her by her name, you're already showing some degree of proximity. You're putting yourself very close as someone who knows her. And there are some names that they put out there. By the time you address them by that name, they will say, oh, this person might know me from somewhere. And the way they respond will will be highly friendly compared to you just sliding into their DM and start saying, hey, hello, I like you, I do this, I do that. No, be conscious of what you're doing. Go and make research about them. That's the first tip. Now, the second tip is that most pictures you see online, most especially for the ladies, are very, very beautiful, even more beautiful than they look in real life. Oh yes, some people say the Instagram babes, they live fake life out there, but these pictures are very pretty and you see them as high class ladies, and as such you tend to fake your personality just so you could meet up to their standard. You don't do that. Be original, be you, be yourself. Whatever it is that you're saying, the way you talk, the way you relate, do it like that. After making your research, that doesn't mean you throw away your personality. You use those information, and harness it, mix it together with your personality and go into her DM. Be original. Then number three, don't use emoji overload. Be real, be intentional. Say what you want to say, type what you want to say. Don't start sending emojis. Some people are not really too good in emoji or meme interpretation. They are not so good at it. So be intentional, be real, be original, and make the necessary research on her profile before you slide into her DM. Following these three tips, every guy, every lady whose DM you slide into definitely will respond to you. The moment you slide into their DM, you get a response, and getting a response is the first step to getting her attention.